this is exactly the type of facility that we're looking to invest our money in, and it's about providing for folks in their later years, and ensuring a degree of independent living, making sure that you have your own front door as far as we can, that you have your own house, your own home, that some place that you call your own, and giving you the support you need. And that's what we're about. And that's why we are funding this development here, and that's why we will continue to fund.